Hi everyone, my name is Ashim. This is Kanishk's channel. Today's is deadlift workout. I'm doing a little audio commentary for this workout. He's doing SDT progression, and the link for SDT and how to go about doing it is in the description below. This is his last warm up set, 340 for 2. Kanishk is a doctor, which is surprising because doctors don't really like to lift a lot of weights, but here he is. He's got the strength bug in him. So he's trying to get stronger, and he is getting stronger. So this is the first set, 360 for 5. If you guys notice, you will see that Kanishk switches his grip from left under, right over to the other way around in between sets with higher reps. This way he minimizes any and all forms of strength imbalance that might take place in terms of grip strength, static grip. So his body's prepared to handle both grips, which is really good. A lot of people don't really do that, but it's good that he's been doing this. For his heavy singles, he relies on whichever grip is the strongest, and that's how it should be. For your near maximal end work, you're always going to be one grip is always going to be stronger than the other, but you want to minimize the difference between the two. This is set number 2, 360 for 5 again. And so yeah, as I was saying, one of the biggest difficulties that Kanishk has had to overcome and has been doing a great job of it is trying to lose weight while being on a vegetarian diet. So he's managed to lose around 20 kilos, which is 45 pounds, and at the same time he's gotten a lot stronger. You guys will see the max weight that he does in this workout is 405, and this is not a max out workout. There's nothing special about this workout or out of the ordinary or something to highlight in his training career. It's just a regular workout that he's been doing. He's been doing SDT progression for 6 to 7 weeks. This is the last week. So this is just a regular training session. I just happen to be here to do the audio commentary of it. This is not a max out session, but I just want to point out that one of his achievements has been to shed weight, get strong, and all while being a vegetarian. And he's been trying to make it work for himself. It's very hard, a lot of hard work. One of the things I want to mention about SDT progression is that this involves basically doing a little bit more than what you did last week. So when he started originally, he took 360 for 2 sets of 4 reps. And as you can see, he's built up a lot of volume to be able to crank out what he's doing this workout. This workout he does 360 for 5, 360 for 5, 370 for 4, 385 for 2 or 3, and then 395 for 1, and then 3405 for 1. That's a massive increase in workload capacity. Alright, 395 for 1, big set right here. Okay, so after this is the next set is the one that had all the adrenaline really running really high for. Well, we were all very excited. You got Dipen in the background, you got me, and then you got Kanishk, of course. Yes, 405 for 1. Just notice, after all this workload, after all this volume that he's put in, he still cranks this out. Fantastic. And there he holds it at the top. It's like saying that yes, I own this weight, and I always believe in this, that just for your grip strength, at least at the end on your heaviest set, you should hold it at the top for a little bit longer. You could sometimes stretch it, and that's good. So next week is going to be really difficult because Kanishk's goal is going to be to beat this whatever he's done this workout. So it's not in terms of just unidimensional either with weight, but he has to be able to do a little bit more. So we have step ups going in now. There's not a lot that I have to say. I just want to make reiterate something. Next week is going to be very difficult. He has to add a little bit in either with a set, with weight, or with reps to what he did this week. So it's going to be a very challenging. And the last thing that I'd like to say is that I love coupling. Well, that sounds very bad, right? But I love if I have to choose exercises to follow up deadlifts with, it's always a unilateral leg exercise. So either a lunge variation like reverse lunges or forward lunges, or barbells, dumbbells, whatever. Step ups are fantastic because they're very similar to the deadlift in terms of how you're starting. So there's a definite carryover. In addition to that, Kanishk is one of those guys that suffers from having very skinny legs and a big upper body, and he needs to pack on some size on his legs. So exercises like these really help. Alright guys, this is all that I have to say. Thanks a lot for watching his video. He's been doing a fantastic job and I'm really proud of him. And we really appreciate your love and support with all the likes and the Google Plus stuff that is being done. You guys are really awesome. Thank you.